Hello. Let's explore interesting things in today's video. The roar of the lumber truck, the slicing of the saw, and the cracking of falling trees. Brain crushing and wood peeling machines. All are on Forestry Techzz channel. Let's explore with me. A small lumber mill. A monster is moving wood into the mill's automatic line. Its working speed is very flexible. The circular saw blade is like a dining table starting the party. The speed is so fast like a turntable. The cut wood looks very pleasing to the eye. I think it was born by nature is the intelligent creation of mankind. I really like it. The scene changes to a heavy truck used to transport wood with a small crane to stack the wood instead of humans. The scene changes to a heavy truck used to transport wood with a small crane to stack the wood instead of humans. With 18 giant wheels, it easily moved the wood to return home. Oh, how wonderful! With 18 giant wheels, it easily moved the wood to return home. Oh, how wonderful! I think give a guy a clap before watching this scene. A giant monster called SK-71S excavator with Iwafuji Pi 25S would cut ahead. With a load weight of 6,700 kilograms. It can cut anything that gets in the way. I am quite impressed with its small branch cleaning skills. A woodcutter is taking over the forest alone. Oh wow, it's a lumberjack. It is truly a multi-purpose giant machine with many uses in the forestry industry that I have ever reviewed. It is very interesting with this machine. The way it moves wood back to the mill at the speed of the Duke 1 racers, I love it. Another monster is peeling bark from a tree in a small forest. Its crane grabs the tree like its right arm is feeding food to its mouth. It is a multi-purpose machine. It picks up and peels bark. It looks very productive. Beyond my imagination. Input and output mechanism in a sequence. It is really pleasing to the eye to see how this machine works. The scene of a tractor named Challenger MT875E. One of the powerful models in the MT800E series. Cutting down a tree. It looks like it is working hard. Finally, it did the job well. It was excellent. Finally, a handsome guy is operating a multi-purpose machine. Cutting and picking up trees in a vast forest. Until he put all the wood he had picked up into a grinder. Then I knew my video had to stop. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe to the channel to support me. See you in the next video. I promise to bring more quality and unique videos to serve everyone. Thank you.